Hi, I'm Robert Gilbert, your South Carolina golf insider for DiscoverSouthCarolina.com. And we are here at beautiful Hickory Knob State Resort Park Golf Course, right on the shores of Lake Thurman in McCormick, South Carolina. You might ask, where is McCormick? Well, it's just north of Augusta, Georgia, about 2 hours south of Greenville and 2 hours west of Columbia, South Carolina, right on the border with South Carolina and Georgia.
My name's Tommy Rankin. I'm the golf pro here at the Hickory Knob State Resort Park. He and Tom Jackson designed the golf course. He also designed our course at Sherrall State Park. I think that's two fine golf courses. We have a lodge. We have 80 motel units, 18 cabins. Restaurant, full service, 3 squares a day. We have tennis courts, bike trails. We have the whole 9 yards right here at Hickory Knob, and for a state park, I don't think it gets any better. Signature hole is number 3. It's a par 3 downhill, and you look over the green and all you see is lake. And
the golf pro Tommy said that the views out here were going to be incredible, and well, you can already see it on the first hole. Lake Thurman just kind of stretches out there. Side hill lie, uphill 275 yards. It's easy, got that shot in my bag. Sit down. You won't know. Oh, God. Standing here on the 8th tee of Hickory Knob State Resort Park Golf Course, and you know, the first 7 holes have been great. The layout, it's a lot of fun to play, but you know, besides the layout, it's just stunning out here. I mean, all you see is nature. It's just a beautiful environment, trees everywhere, no houses to be seen, and wildlife all over the place. It's what makes state park golf so special. We're going to head out to the back 9 now and see if we can shoot a little bit better out there. Here in number 16, I hit a pretty good drive out here. Not good enough. There's no way I can make it all the way to that green. But it's a nice little layup, a 6-iron up to the middle of the fairway. I got a pretty little approach shot right over the water up there. What a great round of golf here at Hickory Knob State Resort Park. I mean, just a beautiful course, great time out here, and you know, it's one of South Carolina's 2 beautiful state park courses, which makes it so convenient because you can come for a weekend, you can come for a night, you can stay here, you can play here, everything is taken care of. Find out more information about the course here as well as the entire park at southcarolinaparks.com. And don't forget, as always, you can follow me and all of my golf outings around South Carolina at DiscoverSouthCarolina.com.